everyone has within them a spark of the divine, let's say. So there's it's like there's a tiny light inside. You know, when I was a kid, there'd be this song, and it would be like, here's my light. And it's like, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. He knows it. You guys probably know it. And then there's a part that goes, hide it under a bushel. Oh no, I'm gonna let it shine. So like the hiding it under the bushel is like the taking on judgment. So that your light, it's like your light gets covered up. It's never gone or anything, but it gets covered, almost like shrouded, you know, almost like shrouded with it's basically like holding on to a judgment. This shouldn't be happening. What if this happens to me? They shouldn't be doing that. That kind of, anything like that. It's holding on to a judgment, then it dims your light, so to speak. And it's kind of setting forth your future. It's almost like it's laying out your future, because the way you feel like that, like right now, when you're agreeing with judgment, making judgment real, is you're setting out circumstances that are made to bring up the same kind of feeling, because it's a feeling that's going forward. It's the feeling that's going forward, you know, like Abraham Hicks would say, it's an emotional journey. So it's the feeling that keeps on going forward. So you could say that the feeling is kind of like writing your future script for you right now. It's like you get this hook right away. Like the first reaction is some kind of hook. The first reaction is when there's a thought, right? It's some kind of hook, like a lot of the times. And so when that hook reaction is, you know, that's actually an opportunity to expand that much more joy. So extend and expand in that much more joy, because that's who you are. You know, you could say you're made for expanding joy.